Hey everyone, if you're looking for a third row vehicle that has rear entertainment, a tow package, and more, then check out this 2016 GMC Acadia. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for the past 3 years. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this silver exterior. You have your GMC badging in the middle of your grille with your projector beam headlamps to the sides and fog lamps below. And this has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. And looking down at your wheels, these are 19-inch alloy wheels. Your side mirrors have indicator lights on them, and they are power adjustable and they are heated. And then making your way inside, you have keyless entry. Looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats. They are heated, super comfortable. Your driver's side is power adjustable, and then your steering wheel is leather wrapped. You have your cruise control settings, your Bluetooth streaming, and your media control settings on the front as well. Then your media center has tons of different features included, so you can have all of your presets and everything. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. You can also click on your rear entertainment disc that you put in. Then you have your navigation system, so you can get to your destination with directions using this map. It's really helpful. Phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth to make phone calls. You have all of your different settings for all of your display and everything there. And you have other additional apps that you can subscribe to. And this has a backup camera when you are in reverse so that you can see clearly if there's anything behind your vehicle you need to look out for. You have a CD insert and an aux port right there. Forward collision warning and lane departure warning, so those are two great safety features. You have your climate controls, which are dual, so you can easily adjust the temperature. And then here are your heated buttons, power liftgate, rear wiper, all of that stuff with your USB port and a 12-volt right there. You have two cup holders, and then your center console has this top layer. You can slide it back, and then you have room down below. This also pops out, and then you have a 12-volt. You have your OnStar, which you can subscribe to, garage door buttons, and then controls for your sunroof. So this is a dual pane sunroof. You can open up this front one, but then you have another pane in the second row. Then making your way out, this has a Bose sound system. Looking in the back, you have room for 2 passengers in the middle row, 3 in the back. You have that quad seating. But check out that rear entertainment. So you have your screen, you can play your DVDs and everything in there. You also have your rear climate controls down below, AV inputs, 12-volt, 120-volt, and 2 USB ports. And then you can fold these seats down to show that third row, and you have cup holders on the sides back there. Looking up, you have a roof rack on top, your LED taillights, your all-wheel drive badging, and your rear sensing system, and then your tow package is behind that cover right there. And this does have a power lift gate, and you also have remote start on your key fob. Then looking inside the back, you have lots of room. You can fold these down to give yourself some extra space, and you have additional storage underneath right there. So overall, this is a great SUV. Have all that seating for you and your family, have that rear entertainment, those heated seats, that sunroof. And if you want to see this GMC or any of our other SUVs, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
Where are you guys from?
From the Kansas City area, Shawnee.
Montrose, Colorado.
Claremore, Oklahoma.
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Parkville, Missouri.
I'm from Southern California.
Absolutely, yes.
No question about it.
Already done it.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, I would say for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Of course I would. For anyone. I would definitely tell you this is a great experience for anyone to have if you're shopping for a vehicle, any kind of vehicle. WowWoodys is the place to be.
Of course.
Okay, well thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, you're welcome.